5 useful features of Google Maps that you probably don't know about. Okay, so number 1, do you know the little blue directional icon on Google Maps? Do you know that can be changed? Just hold down on the blue directional icon to get a couple options here. There's only 3 choices you can choose to. One of them is a little red car. The other one is a yellow, like SUV type. And the third one is a green truck. So if you happen to drive like the SUV, you might want to change it, or you drive a truck, you might want to change it. It's totally up to you. But there is some options. You can change the icon, the pointer icon, the directional icon to something different if you like. Number 2, you can create a shortcut to go to home, no matter where you are, and you want to go straight home. You can click on this one instead of actually typing in your home address. You can click on this one little shortcut to return wherever you're coming from. You can click on this one button to return home, and it will directly navigate me back to my home address. You may not know this, but there's also a way to do trip options where you can avoid tolls. If you don't like paying for tolls like I do, there is a way around it. It may take a little bit longer, but you can totally get around tolls most of the time by using this feature. Number 4, Google Maps is not just for driving in cars. There's options for buses, there's options for even walking, and there's options for rideshare on here. What I like about the rideshare, it will actually give you an estimate where you want to go, and it'll actually give you an estimate of how much it will cost. Now, it's only showing for Lyft. I don't know why it doesn't show for Uber. You can kind of give you a rough estimate of how much it's going to cost to get to your destination using the rideshare. And lastly, number 5, you can use Google Maps to save your parking space. Say you're going to the mall and you don't want to forget where you park. It's a large place. Simply go on Google Maps. This is very important to begin with, and open the map before you leave your car and save your spot on Google Maps. That way, when you get in the mall or go wherever you're going to, and you get ready to leave, you just use Google Maps, and it will navigate you from your location, and it'll switch to walking mode, or whatever mode you want to choose. If you're actually going to be driving or to your car or whatever, it will navigate you back to your vehicle using Google Maps. If you like this video, be sure to share it and follow me for more videos like this.